everyone, myself Rajpirakar and you are watching News Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Have a look on this breaking news. Senior reporter Vikas Prasad, according to him, in the annual survey of ECL Dhureshwari Colliery Depot, the management is trying to meet the shortage of about 4,000 tons of coal. According to the received news, stones have been mixed with coal to meet the coal shortage in Dhureshwari Colliery Depot of ECL Sodhpur area. However, the colliery manager did not say anything in this regard. Sodhpur area general manager J.N. Vishwal was also contacted, but he could not be reached. An attempt was also made to contact Director Technical Operation B. Vera Reddy and CMD Technical Secretary Niladhari Rai, but no one picked up the phone. According to the colliery sources, the stones estimated from inside the colliery are not counted with the measure of coal. Rather, this stone remain laying in this depot, on top of which the procedure of coal is poured. Later, it is spared with water so that this stone together with coal takes on the color of coal, which does not get caught. It is loaded and dumped and sent to the respective city. This is how coal shortage are managed. The matter is currently under discussion.
हाँ हाँ
अरे यार हम लोग उसका अंडर में है ना, वो जो व्यक्ति बोल रहा है.
Motion started scholarship test. Get up to 50% scholarship for season 21 to 22. For their location is in Durgapur. Asansol central leader including Prime Minister Narendra Modi are holding public meeting and rallies in Bengal to feed the lotus. Prime Minister Narendra Modi public meeting is scheduled to be held on April 22 in Asansol, West Bardhaman, in the last hours of the campaign for the 7th phase of election in West Bengal. The Prime Minister will try to feed the lotus in West Bardhaman. His public meeting, where he is targeting Mamata Banerjee government and using a skill to win over the people. Mamata Banerjee will try to seduce the people against the policies of the center, and by putting her development plan in front of her. West Bardhaman has a total of 9 assembly seats. The BJP account has not been opened here yet. In the 2014 Lok Sabha election in Asansol, Narendra Modi had appealed to the people during a public meeting to win the BJP. The people had elected Babul Supriyo from Asansol Lok Sabha seat and sent him to parliament. After this, in Lok Sabha election of the year 2019, Babul Supriyo had registered victory again. BJP as Ahluwalia had also won from Durgapur, but the lotus has not yet bloomed in the assembly. Consequently, in the district, BJP workers are enthusiastic about the Prime Minister public meeting. The candidate is also in the process of crossing the line through the Prime Minister public meeting. Recruiting health insurance advisor, bright career opportunity, full-time and part-time. Today, Tapas Banerjee, a candidate of Raniganj Legislative Assembly, addressed a meeting of election workers at Khandra Colliery and Dal Block, Raniganj Assembly, in petition to support Trinamool Congress in forthcoming assembly election organized by INTTUC.
একবার দেখা যাক
লক্ষ টাকার কথা বলছে, বেকারদের চাকরির কথা বলছে, বিদেশে কোটি কোটি টাকা আছে। আমরা ছোটোবেলা থেকে শুনে আসছি যে ভারতের নেতাদের টাকা বিদেশে গচ্ছিত থাকে, সেই টাকা কেউ আজ পর্যন্ত আনতে পারেনি। কংগ্রেসীদের নাকি প্রচুর টাকা আছে বিদেশে, সেই টাকা মোদিজি এনে দেবে। এটা খুব ভালো কথা, দেশের টাকা সব বিদেশে রেখেছে, চুরির টাকা। তো সবাই আমরা ভাবুক হয়ে গেছিলাম যে যার টাকাটা এবারে ফিরে আসবে। 7 বছর হয়ে গেল, 7টা পয়সাও আসেনি, এবং সেই টাকাটা নিয়ে আমার আপনার ব্যাংকে 15 লক্ষ টাকা করে ঢুকে যাবে। বলছি ওই যে এত টাকা আছে ভারতবর্ষে, এত জনসংখ্যার 15 লক্ষ টাকা দিলেও আরও অনেক টাকা উপযুক্ত থেকে যাবে, এবং একটা পয়সাও ঢুকলো না। আপনিও জানেন, আমিও জানি। আর চাকরি, দুর্গাদাসবাবু বললেন 2 কোটি বেকারের চাকরি আজকে গল্প হয়ে গেছে। এবং একজন রাষ্ট্রীয় নেতাকে পরবর্তীকালে জিজ্ঞেস করা হয় যখন, যে আপনি তো ভোটের সময় বলেছিলেন, তুমি বলছেন যে দেখুন একটা ওই পদে থেকে বলা যায় যে जुल्मा था, जुल्मा क्या है दुनिया जी? जुल्मा मतलब क्या होता है? जुमला माने ऐसा हंसी मजाक में बोल दिए। मैं देश को, आदमी को भावना के लिए जो खिलवाड़ करते हैं वो आज मेरा स्वराष्ट्र मंत्री है, उसी कुर्सी पर बैठ के बोलते हैं जो उसके पास इससे ज्यादा स्कूल हम लोग का মানে আমরা আশা করতে পারি না। যাই হোক, আর মমতা ব্যানার্জি কি করছে আপনাদের পরিকল্পনা আছে। আজকে সব থেকে যেটা শঙ্কার কারণ, চিন্তার কারণ, সব থেকে ক্ষতি আসবে সব থেকে ওয়ার্কিং ক্লাসের উপরে। আমরা ভারতবর্ষে সবাই জানতাম কেউ যদি চাকরি পায় একটা পার্মানেন্ট চাকরি বলে একটা কথা আছে। আগামী 2-4 বছরের মধ্যে, 2-3 বছরের মধ্যে পার্মানেন্ট চাকরি বলে আর কিছু থাকবে না। যেমন আমেরিকা, ইংল্যান্ড, ফ্রান্সে নেই, আমাদের দেশেও থাকবে না। সমস্ত কিছুই কন্ট্রাকচুয়াল, সমস্ত কিছু আউটসোর্সিং। আউটসোর্সিং আগে কম শুনতাম, এখন ঘাটে মাঠে বাইরে যেখানে যাবে দেখবেন আউটসোর্সিং।
Raniganj, as according to Ravi Paswan, according to him, voting will be held on April 26 in Burdwan district. Earlier on Thursday, senior Samajwadi Party leader Anurag Bhatoria reached Raniganj to support TMC and Mamata Banerjee. A bicycle rally was taken out from Punjabi Mode to Raniganj, in which a large number of TMC supporters were present on this day. With Anurag Bhatoria, West Burdwan District Trinamool Youth Congress President Rupesh Yadav, Vice President Sadan Kumar Singh, and many local TMC leaders and workers were present. On this occasion, Anurag Bhatoria said that the BJP has no other job but to do dirty politics to the society in the name of the religion. He claimed that just as the Samajwadi Party government in Uttar Pradesh was the river of development, Mamata Banerjee is also developing in Bengal. That is why he has come to Raniganj with the message that the Samajwadi Party is with the TMC. He alleged that BJP leaders in their speeches do not talk about inflation, unemployment, literacy, women's security. They just spared Hathod. Asansol Election Commission has removed the DM's 3 districts smitlessly by taking measure action against the administrative officers. The Election Commission has removed the DM of South Dinajpur beside West Burdwan and West Burdwan DM Purendu Manji is being replaced by Anurag Srivastava. East Burdwan DM Anur Rahman is being replaced by Silpa Garusiria, and South Dinajpur DM Nikhil Nirmal is being replaced by C. Murugan. CMPF scammer convicted in CBI court. Asansol Coal Mines Provident Fund CMPF on Wednesday proved to be fake scam of rupees 4 lakh from account of coal worker Asansol. CBI court on Wednesday accusing the then MPF employees DNP Yadav, Dilip Singh Gupta, then Haripur Post Officer, Postmaster Mantu Charan Mandal, and civilian convicting BC Roy and Ajay Kumar Sinha under Public Corruption Act 13/2 and 120B. Sentenced to 7 years imprisonment and a fine of 1 lakh, according to the prosperous sources. In year 2001, these accused had taken out a loan of rupees 4 lakh in CMPF on the basis of forged document of coal worker. The CBI had started the probe after the scam was exposed in 2007. Asansol 7 Panchayat member of Chaura Panchayat under Pandeshwar Assembly left Trinamool Congress and joined BJP. Earlier, the head of the Navgram Panchayat, 7 member of Kendra Panchayat and 2 members of Bhaula Panchayat had left the Trinamool Congress and joined BJP. Joining the BJP members, including head of the Panchayat, has created political turmoil. Barabani in the past 3 or 4 days, and the police had recovered 14 live bombs in Madhupur area under Barabani police station. The bombs were defused at 11 a.m. Thursday in the presence of the fighters. Police had a bomb disposal. Newtown resident Rubhu Bose has logged a complaint with the Election Commission questioning the legitimacy of BJP candidate Krishnendu Mukherjee from Asansol North Assembly. Consequently, the complaint states that Krishnendu Mukherjee has not given any information in this nomination affidavit. He had his wife a director in the several other companies whose information is not in the affidavit. The Calcutta High Court had granted conditional bail to the Krishnendu, in which we will not be allowed to enter the district on the same condition. He has granted bail in 4 cases. Running of Kolkata and Agra Chant and Sialda and Anand Vihar weekly special Asansol for the conveyance of passenger. A special train will be run between Kolkata and Agra Chant. Weekly 031767. Kolkata Agra Chant special weekly will leave Kolkata on every Thursday at 12.10 hours from 15 April 2021 to 24/6/2021 to reach Agra Chant at 15.50 hours on the next day. The train will arrive Asansol at 14.48 hours and will depart at 14.50 hours on the same day. 03168 Agra Chant Kolkata special weekly will be leave Agra Chant on every Saturday at 5.10 hours from 17 April 2021 to 26 June 2021 to reach Kolkata at 8:50 hours on the next day. The train will arrive Asansol at 4.45 hours and will depart at 4.50 hours on the next day. Cancellation of Sukendrabad Darbhanga Sukendra Express special train. Asansol due at NI/pre-NI work for construction of third line with electrification link and linking of track in Sukendrabad Division 07007 Sukendrabad Darbhanga express special will remain cancelled on 20 April 2021 Tuesday, and 07008 Darbhanga Sukendrabad Express special train will remain cancelled on 23 April 2021 Friday. Let us hear Rasmus from News. A great marriage is not when the perfect couple comes together. It is when an imperfect couples learn to enjoy their difference. Dave Mazur.